I just built a complete online store in under 10 minutes, and I didn't write a single line of code, touch a website builder, or hire a designer. AI literally did it for me. I'm not kidding. It pulled in all of my products, wrote the descriptions, formatted the layout, and built a fully functional store that looked amazing. So today I'm going to show you exactly how AI built my entire store, how you can do it too, even if you have zero tech skills, and what to do after to turn it into a real sustainable brand. And stick around because later in the video, I'll share how I used my favorite system, Asana, to actually organize and manage everything behind the scenes once the AI was done. Hey, I'm Samantha. I help freelancers, VAs, and digital product creators organize and systemize their business so they can grow without burning out. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know I love tools that make your business simpler. Not fancier, not more complicated, just easier, smarter, and more efficient. And recently, I tested something that completely blew me away. I wanted to see if I could create a fully branded store for my products without having to mess with tech, and what I discovered was a total game changer for anyone selling digital products, templates, or even Etsy listings. It's called EverBee Store, and it uses AI to literally build your website for you automatically. But before I show you how it works, I want to know, be honest, does AI for your business excite you, or does it freak you out a little? Let me know in the comments. I'm genuinely curious where everyone stands on this right now. All right, so here's how this all started. I've been in the online business world for years, and I've seen so many sellers get stuck in the same spot. They have great products, maybe printables, templates, or digital guides, but everything lives inside Etsy or a third-party platform, which is fine until you realize that Etsy doesn't really showcase your brand. Etsy is a marketplace. You're surrounded by thousands of other sellers, and your shop ends up feeling like just another listing. So I started wondering, what if there was a way to build your own branded storefront, something that looks like your website, but still connects to Etsy or your existing products? That's when I found EverBee Store. Now, I'll be honest, I wasn't sure what to expect. I thought, okay, there's no way AI can just build my whole store for me. But I tested it using my old Etsy shop, and within minutes, it pulled in every single product, created a full website layout, added images, wrote descriptions, and basically made me a complete online store. It even handled the copywriting part, which blew my mind. It was like watching a designer, a developer, and a copywriter all working together at light speed. And I just sat there like, wait, did that just happen? Now, if you've ever tried to build a website yourself, you know it's usually not this easy. It's very time consuming. You have to pick a platform, design the pages, upload your products one by one, format everything, write descriptions, connect payment processors, fill all the broken links, and by the time you're done, you're ready to throw your laptop out the window. Not actually, but you know what I mean. So when I saw how fast EverBee Store did all that, it hit me. This is huge for small business owners and digital creators because it takes one of the biggest barriers, tech overwhelm, completely off your plate. And you don't have to leave Etsy or start from scratch. You're just giving your existing products a home that feels like your brand. Now let me walk you through what actually happens. So when you connect your Etsy shop to EverBee Store, the AI scans your listings, product titles, descriptions, images, pricing, and imports everything automatically. Then it uses AI to design your storefront layout. It writes optimized product copy that fits your tone, organizes everything into categories, and even builds your about and contact pages. You can then personalize your logo, colors, and brand fonts so it looks cohesive and professional. And the best part, everything still connects to Etsy, so your sales and analytics stay intact. So you're not reinventing the wheel, you're upgrading it. Now you have a branded store you can share on social media, in your emails, and in your content without losing the benefits of Etsy's built-in audience. Now, even if you sell digital products, your brand presence matters more than ever. People want to buy from businesses that feel real. Having a standalone store gives your audience confidence. It says, I'm not just a seller, I'm a brand, I'm a person. And once you have that foundation, it becomes so much easier to grow. You can build an email list, collaborate with affiliates, promote bundles, or even launch your own digital courses, all under one cohesive brand. That's what this kind of AI tool unlocks. Okay, so let's say you've just built your store with AI. Now what? This is where most people stop, but the real success comes after the website is live. Because having a beautiful storefront is only part of it. You also need systems to run it smoothly. This is where I bring in my secret weapon, Asana. I use Asana to manage everything that happens behind the scenes, tracking product ideas and updates, planning launches and email campaigns, organizing content for social media, and managing customer support templates and tasks. Basically, everything the AI created on the front end, I organize and manage in the back end. And if you're not sure where to even start with that, that's exactly what I teach inside Asana Essentials. It's my complete plug and play Asana setup that helps you organize your business systems, your products, and your marketing all in one simple visual hub. You get templates for everything: content planning, lead tracking, digital product management, so you can feel on top of your business instead of juggling it all in your head. You can go to samanthacasbrick.com/AE to check it out and see if it's right for you. All right, let's keep going, because once the AI builds your store, there are a few extra things you can do to make it even more powerful. So AI can build the foundation, but you bring the brand to life. So here are 3 simple ways to elevate your AI built store so it feels like a true brand. Number 1 is add your brand voice. So even though AI does an amazing job writing copy, it doesn't know your story or your tone the way you do. So I highly recommend that you go through your pages and tweak the copy to sound like you. Add personal touches, little phrases you use, stories about your products, or why you created them. That's what connects with people. Number 2 is make it visually yours. Upload your logo, choose your brand colors, and use consistent product mockups. If you're using Canva, which I highly recommend, create templates for your thumbnails, Pinterest graphics, and banners so your visuals always look cohesive. Number 3, connect to your content. Don't just stop at your store. Link it in your Instagram bio, your email footer, your YouTube descriptions, everywhere. The more visibility you give your new store, the faster it starts working for you. Okay, I think this is what excites me the most about AI right now. It's not about replacing people, it's about removing friction. You don't have to be a tech expert to look professional anymore. You don't have to spend weeks designing your own website or months hiring people to do it. Tools like EverBee Store are like having an entire tech team in your pocket, ready to turn your ideas into something real in minutes. And when you combine that with solid systems like Asana for operations, Canva for design, and your own creative direction, you become unstoppable. You're not just running a shop or service anymore. You're running a brand. So here's what I'd recommend if you want to try this yourself. Test EverBee Store, connect it with your Etsy shop or product catalog. Watch how fast it builds everything for you. You'll probably have the same "wait, what?" moment I did. Next, customize it. Add your branding, tweak the copy, and make it yours. Then set up systems in Asana. Use Asana Essentials to manage everything your new store needs, from launches to updates to content planning. And then promote it. Share it everywhere. Add it to your link in bio, your lead magnets, your social posts. All roads should lead back to your new home base. This is one of the easiest ways to instantly level up your online presence without spending a fortune or burning yourself out. When I first started testing this, I honestly didn't know what to expect. But the fact that I built an entire online store, copy, layout, products, and all in minutes, honestly still blows my mind. If you've been dreaming of having a real branded online home for your products, but always felt overwhelmed by the tech side, this is your shortcut. AI is finally making it possible for small creators, freelancers, and shop owners to compete with big brands, and it's only getting better. So go try it for yourself, play around, and see what you can create. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.